Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Nessa. So if you all are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that notify bell so you all will be notified every time I upload a video. So today guys, I am so excited. I've been waiting for some of my package to come in the mail, but not all of them are here, but I just decided to do this haul for you guys. It's not a big haul, but to me it's big. I love diamonds, I love little trinkets. So yeah guys, if you all are interested, just stay tuned guys. This is the package that my order came in. It just came in this yellow envelope. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you guys is this gorgeous set, guys, and these was pretty cheap. I will leave all the information down in the description bar down below, everything about the seller and the item that I purchased. So this package have some heart stars, different shape of stars, half a moon and stuff, and I really love how I'll show you guys. Okay, and then the next item I did pick up was these circle hexes, and it have different color, guys. Okay, to focus. So guys, I am in my studio, so if you hear cars passing and noise, I am in my studio. I am not home at the moment, and I'm pretty close to the road, a busy area. So this is what it looks like. And another one, I have some chrome flakes, and this is what it looks like, guys. It has some pretty colors: purple, pink. Yeah guys, so that is what I get. So let's get right into the goodies, my favorite. So I did purchase some diamonds, and guys, check this out. This is a pretty pink, and guys, it have all these little different shapes, and it's so gorgeous, guys. Check out this. And the next color is this. It have different colors, guys. This is like a blue and purple and green, and it have different shape in this as well. And the next color is this. It's a kind of brown yellowish color with silver. And the next one is another pink, but this is a darker color. Guys, this is so gorgeous. I can't even resist. And these were a set. I believe it was 23 for, I believe it was $36, or I can't remember, but I'll put all the information down in the description bar down below. So if you all are interested, you all can pick those up, and it was very affordable. And this is a purple, guys. Watch these, this is so pretty. And this is a reddish greenish tone, guys. This, I am filming on my phone, so it's not doing it justice. Just this greenish. And guys, every time you turn these colors, you get different shades. This is like a green and a blue, a dark blue. Okay, so there's another, I don't know if it is pink. Yeah, a lighter pink and purple. And guys, it has small to medium to large stones in there. This is another green. Guys, this is so gorgeous. I just can't wait to play with these. Okay, this is a darker green. This is just a flat green. It don't have the two-tone in it. And this is a lighter green, but it have a little yellow undertone as well. Okay, so this is a clear iridescent. This is another clear, but this is a pinkish clear. And this is another baby pink. A kind of it looks like peachish, a peachy pink. Right, and this is I don't know if this is red. Oh, it's kind of red and orange looking. I don't know. Okay, guys, and then I have a blue. Oh my god, they are so pretty. Then I have a red. And another is a silver. And then another is another purple. Those babies. And then this is a silver, guys. But this is a silver iridescent, and this is just a flat silver, right? Silver iridescent, flat silver, yellow, and I did open a couple, guys. This is a kind of a bluish. Yeah, it has blue and brown and red-ish tone. Every time you turn, it gives a different shade. See, this one is a light blue with a little hint of green and stuff in it. This is a blue. Oh, this is a light blue. It's not really light, but this is like, both of them is blue, but this is more deeper. This blue is more deeper, and this blue is a little lighter. Okay, guys, so let me just show you. Okay, I just want to show you a couple that I opened. So I'm just going to open them and open about. I'm just going to empty it open this container. I didn't. I was gonna do one. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks. Pretty. Let me just straighten it. They are so pretty, awesome, gorgeous. Oh, why are they not turning over? So guys, it's like a mixture of different sizes. And guys, all of this stuff is from one seller. So see, it's gorgeous. So guys, I do have a couple more stuff to show you that I purchased, but I did throw those out. So I have them, I did put them in this container. first one is this gorgeous gold. Just get something. And it's just different. And then this one is just some seashells, some silver seashells. So it's just silver seashells and different trinkets. And this is some rose gold, some crosses and circles and some starfish and half a moon and stuff, guys. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel and hit that notify bell, guys, so you all will be notified every time I upload a video. I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. You are all mostly appreciated, and thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.